Why do you think men cheat? Why do you think men cheat? Why do you think women cheat?
Women cheat?
Yeah. It's getting hot in here, like hot.
Boom! Welcome to another episode of Streetz, where we ask different random questions. And today we're in Glasgow, where we're going to be talking to people. And I've got the gorgeous Anna model with me today, who's going to be asking different various questions right here in Glasgow, Buchanan Street. We're going to be asking people, why do men cheat? Or why do women cheat? Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and, turn on your notifications so that every time we're doing this, you get notified.
Hi girls, looking amazing. Hello. How are you? Right, I'm doing a research on something and I want to ask you questions.
Okay.
So my question for today, why do you think men cheat? Because
They could be unhappy in the relationship or they're just totally immature. They could have caviar, they could have the best thing ever, but they want everybody to fancy them because they're just greedy.
Insecurities. If you're cheating, then you're insecure about something in your relationship, and that just you use that onto other women, and that's just.
Why do you think men cheat?
Why do you think men cheat?
Doesn't it come from that, like, way back in their evolution where they had to scatter their seed, so they think that they have to be with lots of different people to make as many babies as possible to keep the human race going?
But you can make that babies with one woman.
Yeah, I think so. Here.
So you're a woman. What do you think women cheat?
I think women cheat.
Maybe just sometimes to get back at the guy. I don't know.
It is what it is.
Hello ladies, you're looking amazing. Why do you think men cheat?
Huh?
Why do you think men cheat?
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Because they're not nice.
They're not nice.
Low self-esteem.
Low self-esteem.
Are you normal?
That's interesting answers. But why do you think women cheat?
To make their
Sorry?
because they don't get attention off the guy.
The
Same reason, probably. Yeah.
Why do you think women cheat?
I don't know, people are just different.
People are different.
Personality, yeah. Some cheats and not. So
Right, different personalities.
people just generalize as everybody cheats.
Right.
Men cheat, women cheat. It's just personality different.
Why women cheat? Oh, man not good enough. Man not giving her enough.
No, same again. Same, not enough attention, not enough compliments, and not wanting to split up a family.
Why do you think women cheat? I'm dead.
Bro,
Hey,
the question is, why do women cheat?
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about not from personal experiences, but women can cheat because they're not sexually satisfied by their partner.
I want to know the women.
If they fall in love with someone else, if they don't feel like appreciated.
Okay.
Women say if they're bored, to be honest. If they're bored, because obviously
that doesn't give you the right to cheat.
no, it doesn't give you the right. But you should spice it up the thing, innit? You should make it a bit spicy sometimes so that people don't feel bored. I'm not justifying it.
Hold on. You say
No, first of all, I don't cheat. First of all, let's be clear, I don't cheat.
Come on,
I've never cheated.
don't do that. Don't do that. If you're not feeling the relationship, just end up there, and move on. Keep your life.
Yeah.
Don't break someone's heart just because
Have you ever cheated?
It was not being satisfied sexually, communication obviously not being listened to, just not meeting standards, consistency. Sometimes women, I feel like it happens a lot with men. Men are not consistent. Financial security is on my mind. I need to make sure that I'm with a man that can take care of me. Someone that is always on his grind. If a man is not on his, like at the start, probably he's on. The same things for the women. But a man has to be more of a provider for me, Sha.
Hi guys, how are you? I want to ask you a question. You're looking amazing. I hope you're enjoying the day today. Okay, so my question is, why do you think men cheat?
Because men think they're shit, to be honest. They ain't shit, to be honest.
Why do you think?
They've got too much confidence in their peepees when they're like.
I don't know. I don't think all men cheat.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't know. I do think men are more likely to cheat than women, because men value the sort of physical more than the emotional, on the whole. But I would say that it's sort of unsatisfaction in other aspects of life lead to kind of cheating, and so it's not necessarily because of the relationship at the time, but more something else that's happening.
If isn't going the way the man wants it to, then he would probably be more inclined to cheat, rather than just like end the relationship and you know, because they still sort of maybe they feel bad about leaving somebody just because they feel like the relationship isn't going where they want it to. But honestly, I really couldn't give an answer.
I don't want to do that. You answer. Why do men cheat?
Because they have one brain cell.
No, I think that men, a lot of the time when they cheat, it's out of boredom and emotional instability, because emotionally they're not brought up the same as everyone else.
But how about women though? Why do you think women cheat?
Because they don't feel fulfilled in the relationship.
Or come from a place of insecurity. Yeah.
Wow. Why do you think men cheat in a relationship?
Because they don't have integrity.
Very good. How about you? What do you think?
I'm not sure. Because they weren't raised right, I suppose. You know, didn't have good female figures in their life, perhaps, and don't know how to treat women with respect. I'd say.
Hello, ladies. How are you? Look amazing. Can I ask you a question? Why do you think men cheat in a relationship? Quick.
Because they're bored.
They're bored.
Yeah.
Okay. How about women? Why do you think women cheat?
Because they're bored as well.
They're bored as well.
Why do I think men cheat? It's because they get a bit bored or a bit too horny and they can't get it from the...
Why do I think men cheat in a relationship? Good question. Why do men cheat in relationships?
They're blind. They're blind as fuck.
No, they're bored. They're bored. Men only cheat because they're bored, can't lie.
So why do you think women cheat?
Why women cheat? Because women are trash.
Women are trash.
Women do cheat.
Women are trash.
More than men.
Women are loose.
More than men. Women don't, you just don't get caught. Women don't know what they want.
You don't get caught.
They don't know what they want. It's the same situation with food. You went to a restaurant, they didn't know what they want. I lie. With women, they get bored.
Okay.
They do get bored. But women don't tell you they're bored. They go out and fuck next man.
Why do you think men cheat in a relationship?
Why do men cheat?
Yeah.
I don't know, to be honest.
How about women though?
I mean, looking at it from the point of view of the person that is cheating, sometimes they might be unfulfilled. And then other times it could just be a miscommunication thing. It's depends.
Right, miscommunication or they're unhappy.
I mean, yeah, but then at the same time as well, there's a cowardness to it as well, because if you're unhappy and you're not willing to discuss it, that's where the miscommunication would come in. That'd be it. I haven't cheated before, so I wouldn't know. So
you're a good guy.
Well, me and my girlfriend have been together 10 years, so.
Men cheat in a relationship? It depends on his own personal perspective. Some cheat maybe because they don't get all what they want from a woman. Maybe they will get some from the woman and some from other women. That's why maybe they try to chase away. Some maybe there could be not much understanding between the man and the woman. So maybe after some time they get tired of each other. They tend to cheat. There are so many factors. So many factors that will make to.
So do you think women cheat?
Of course, women cheat. Money, fame. Anyway, there is money and fame. Women are always after money and fame, maybe, and sometimes maybe six-pack, you know, men with six-pack and all some kind of thing. Maybe it attracts them to, maybe they cheat too. Maybe sometimes they don't get the satisfaction that they get from a man, they still cheat on stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Why do you think men cheat in a relationship?
Why do I think men cheat in a relationship? Insecurity. they just want validation from someone. So that's what I think anyway.
I think they just like, maybe it's the chase, you know. They want what they can't have. That was my very 5-second thought. Yeah, thought process.
Right.
Gotta think about it a bit more, but so far I'm gonna stick with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you think women cheat as well?
Yeah.
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 Why is that?
It's definitely possible.
Why is that? Why is it?
No. Oh no. Whoa. I think women are more likely to cheat if they don't feel the love.
So please, if you've been enjoying these episodes, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so every time we're doing this, you get notified. And we'll see you on the next one.